Chenro madayo dho jogo ma olap dhogi ndogne lemo mar komisonas mag IEBC odonjo odiechieng' mar ariyo ka kwan jogo midayo dhogi kawuono gin ji 6. Jogo midayo dhogi gin kaka jandik duond buche mag siasa Anne Derito, Alfred Ndimuli Kahi, Al Nur Hassan, Alamito Guyo, Jatani ma en min od gavana ma Marsabit, Ahmed Sheikh Takoy manokwongo chopo e nyim aput matayo chenro no kod Albert Nguma.
One of the challenges that I've identified is a conflict among the commissioners. When I look at the 2022 election, there was two distinct verdicts. A group that was headed by a chairman, and there's another group. So, to me, this is actually a fundamental challenge for one particular board that has got collective responsibility. So the first thing that I see it is to build a consensus, and probably what I see is that there could be a gap in terms of how the commissioners, the internal I could not actually trace the charter of the board to see how they are relating to each other, and whose responsibility is what, and so on.
On the day of 24th April 2024, officers from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission visited our home. The officers identified themselves, and they gave me a letter addressed to His Excellency Mohammed Ali, who is my spouse. They told me to read it and acknowledge it. After reading, they wanted access to our house to do a search. As a law-abiding Kenyan, I signed for that, and I gave them access to the premises. These officers conducted themselves in a very professional way. They did their search, finished, and their documents they collected. They asked me to accompany them to their offices to sign for the inventory of the documents they collected from my house. The lead officer assured me that I was not under arrest. I was not under investigation. All I needed is to sign for the inventory in the absence of my husband. I followed them, I signed for the inventory, and came back home. So for the records, I was never arrested. Thank you.